Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are checking out the best personal smoothie blender that makes your daily drinks quick, smooth, and hassle-free. If you want something powerful yet compact for your kitchen or on-the-go lifestyle, this blender could be a great choice. Stay with me to see what makes it special. Let's get started. So the product we are talking about is the Lampic Personal Smoothie Blender, and right from the start, it focuses on power and simplicity. It comes with a strong 900-watt motor that spins at 25,000 RPM. This means it can crush fruits, vegetables, and even ice very easily. You get a smooth and consistent texture every time, which makes your drinks taste better and feel more enjoyable. Another great thing about the Lampic Personal Smoothie Blender is how easy it is to use. There are no complicated buttons or settings. You just press and it starts blending instantly. This simple operation saves time and makes the whole process smooth and stress-free. The blender also features an upgraded 6-leaf blade made from food-grade 304 stainless steel. This blade design helps blend ingredients faster and more efficiently. It also improves nutrient extraction, so your drinks keep more of their natural goodness and flavor. Cleaning is often a problem with blenders, but not here. The Lampic Personal Smoothie Blender comes with a detachable blade system. This allows you to take it apart easily and clean it quickly, saving you time after every use. Now let's talk about its compact design. This blender does not take up much space, so it fits nicely on any kitchen counter. Even with its small size, it still delivers powerful performance, which makes it very practical for everyday use. Portability is another big advantage. The Lampic Personal Smoothie Blender includes two 27-ounce cups and two to-go lids. This means you can blend your drink and take it with you without needing another container. It is perfect for busy days when you need something quick and easy. Health is also a priority here. All parts are made from BPA-free materials, which means your drinks stay safe and free from harmful chemicals. This gives you peace of mind every time you use it. Another useful feature is its versatility. The Lampic Personal Smoothie Blender can make smoothies, protein shakes, milkshakes, and fresh juices. It adapts easily to different needs, whether you want a healthy breakfast drink or something refreshing later in the day. The overall design feels clean, modern, and user-friendly. It looks simple but works efficiently, which makes it a great addition to any setup. Small size, big power. If you were thinking about upgrading your blender, check the price link in the description and see if this one fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.